Here's all you'll need to make a basic bechamel sauce: some plain flour, unsalted butter and some milk. First thing we're going to do, get your butter into a pan and melted. And then you're going in.
Is it all that flour in there?
Yeah, a couple of tablespoons of flour and get those mixed together. When your mixtures had 20-30 seconds just to cook the flavour out of the flour, time to go in with some milk. You're going to go in with the milk bit by bit. So get that mixed in. And then what you'll find, the milk starts to blend in with your flour and butter and creates that sort of consistency. It's like mashed potato. That means we're ready for more milk.
Is it mashed potato?
When it thickens up again, guess what? Time for some more milk. When it comes to that sort of consistency, i.e. it's not like mashed potato anymore, that is your basic bechamel sauce. Now you can use that to create all sorts of other sauces, or just enjoy on its own.